So if you want to change your account name like this, let's change this name. You press on the arrow down button, right? You're going to find your settings and privacy. Then press on settings again. You will find your name right there. Press on edit button. There you go. Let's say I want to put this as body ls, and where body is, I'm gonna write Serge, right? So to confirm it, you need to press on review your new name. So you're going to find your new name here, and the old name is right there. So before you save your changes, you need to enter your password. Then save your changes, and now you get your name changed. So you can do the same here on your Facebook mobile application. Just open your mobile application and press on these three bars here, and you're going to find, scroll down a little bit, you're going to find settings and privacy, and press on settings. There you have your personal account information, right? Just as simple as that. You're going to find your username. You see here it's already changed, right? So before it was Serge Rubadi, and we changed it on laptop, it's now Rubadi LS Serge, right? When you press there, you're going to find exactly the same thing as it was on your laptop. So this is the place where we're supposed to change the name, and you can see the message. Facebook is just telling us here that you can't change your name on Facebook at this time because you have changed it in the last 60 days. So you cannot change the name twice in the space of 60 days, right? So we just make this modification on the laptop, so we cannot change it again before 60 days. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and don't forget to hit the ring bell to receive notification whenever a new video is uploaded on this HowToDo Technology channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.